we have a Mercedes A250 in for a rear brake pad change. So what you're going to have to do first is pull the handbrake out, put the ignition on, you can hear the motor wind back. Now you're going to have to turn the ignition off, press and hold the core button and the OK button to enter the hidden menu. Core and OK button. And now you enter the hidden menu. Yeah, you simply scroll down to pad replacement, click OK to enter. Move to fitting position. You hear the motor winding back. So now you're in the position which you can remove the rear brake pads, push the piston back just like a normal brake piston caliper, and when you're ready to put the brakes back on and finish the job, come back to the car and click in the OK. So now just removing the brake caliper bracket. Two caliper bolts, 13mm. And two caliper brackets, an E18 star key. So now we're also replacing the disc. And that's the brake caliper with the motor at the back also. Got the piston pusher here. You simply push the piston back. Just like any other normal brake pad change. Okay. So now the new disc has been put on. Now we'll put the brake caliper bracket back on. The two bolts behind the caliper.
Caliper bracket?
Yeah. another bolt underneath. So before you install the brake pads, always remember to grease them up to eliminate any squeaking noises. Grease up the ends, the contact points. So no removal of the motor required, just simply pushed back.
Remember to put the new ones on. It's got Loctite.
Use the new bolts required.
So these ones haven't. Hold on.
Yep. Pretty much very straightforward, and continued on the other side. Yep. Clean up the surface of the hub. Disc on, and I put the holes in the locating screw. The caliper bracket back on, just like the other side. So once this side's complete, we'll go back inside the car and rewind the brake piston motor back. Just like the other side, don't forget to grease the contact points of the pad. That all the way back. Push the piston back. Once everything's fitted all on and bolted up, we'll move inside the car. So now we'll come back inside the car, turn the ignition on, fitting position is reached, so all you simply do is click the OK button. You can hear the pistons winding back, pump your brake pedal and click OK to confirm. So that's the brake pads done on the A250 Mercedes. Thanks for watching and hope this video has helped you out.